My purpose is to finish my the expedition for Jon Snora, my husband, and I brought my family with me to do it. Actually, we got to meet a lot of great Pakistan people and to get to know your nation. And we didn't get to recover him, but we know more now than we did in the beginning, so we just have to assess the information. Yes, we had the information about the body.
Today to this press conference to give our thanks to the Pakistani people, the nation, the army and the government for all their efforts towards search and rescue for my brother, and the help for retrieving his body. And we came here hoping that we would be able to move him and bury him next to Islamabad. And it was not successful, the team we sent up now, and now we're recuperating, gathering more information, and hopefully we will be able to make a new plan and move him from this place where he is right now, which is dangerous to move him from. So it needs to be a specialist team that will do this, and that's our wish, that he will rest in a good place on the mountain in the beautiful country that he loved so much. The Icelandic nation has followed this journey of Jon Snori, and the heart of the nation is in sync with the heart of the Pakistani nation.